Oh man. Okay, it's 7 hours in the yard. Now, I'm not complaining because I actually enjoy this. I really enjoy yard work. And this is a beautiful lighting and a beautiful time of the day. We talked about photography before. Well, briefly. And this is the perfect time of the day for photography. Or, yeah, two or three of the most perfect times. I did these mulch beds. I pulled all the old mulch off. You can see that pile back there. I got 10 cubic yards of mulch from a very reputable local company. I did that one, cut the grass. I mean, I'm talking 7 hours of work today, and I mixed it up. I'm trying to grow a little bit of grass right there as an experiment because I want to replace the liriope, tongue-tied, with grass right there. I'm getting sick of that stuff. Yeah. Did this mulch bed here today. The deer were eating this stuff, so we cut it back. There's the John Deere's. I gotta tell you, all of this stuff you see here is John Deere. And other than an initial hiccup with the, here go the allergies. Other than an initial hiccup with the mower and a hydraulic leak, this stuff has been holding up like you wouldn't believe. And I abuse it. But it does everything. I plug aerated with the John Deere. I mean, all the stuff you see here is 5+ years old. And it just sits outside. I don't care about it. But I plug aerated. You can see the plugs. You know, mode. I have an issue with the 85 RAM. I'm not getting 12 volts to the electronic choke, so every time I accelerate, it kicks into fast idle cam, if that means anything to you. So I've got to diagnose why I'm not getting 12 volts to the e-choke. I cut over there. Believe it or not, my property line goes over to those trees and down that way. I got rid of the pile of sticks on the hill. That pile of sticks is in the 73 right there. And most beautifully, if you could smell this stuff, it's amazing. I cut the entire pasture. From here, all the way back. All the acreage I cut. All the way back. With the John Deere. It's gorgeous. My neighbor who brings her horses over here asked me to look for a few thrown horseshoes. I couldn't find them. But yeah, I cut the entire thing today. And I weed whacked under the fence for the most part until my 80-volt battery wore out. Oh, and I even fixed, oh my shit. I mean, my God, it never ends. I had a bad ground wire, so I fixed the ground wire on the Mantis. I mean, again, I gotta work. Oh, look. I want food. I want treats. Treats. So yeah, this is a new mulch bed today. Getting up the old mulch. The deer were really munching here. Got deer munches there. All from that hillside back there, all those sticks and twigs are in the back of the 73 right there. I did some weed and feed on the front yard. I cut the upper pasture right here. Upper pasture cut. Lower pasture, backyard, all cut. Like I said, I weed whacked under the fence until the 80-volt battery died. And then I recharged the 80-volt battery, went along the edge of the fence, way back there, carved a trail. I mean, it never ended. It never ended. I mean, my God. And it's like 6 o'clock now, and there's the whole house generator. Thank goodness for that thing. It has been so helpful. So I was weed whacking under the fence, and you can see where the whole house, where the 80-volt generator died. 80-volt lithium-ion battery died. But yeah, got the backyard done. Beautiful flowers. I mean, Central Virginia is just, oh, birdie. I'm doing that hillside over there. I'm cutting, got the chainsaw out, and I'm trying to make that hill just kind of flow. Lots of, it used to look like that edge down there, but I got lots of stumps and things I'm trying to trim down close to the ground so I can mow over it with the rider. Oh. It's a good dadgummit thing I'm retired. This guy, if I haven't mentioned it, right here, this tree, was a volunteer. And I remember when I first moved in, I was kind of mowing around it. It was about 2 to 3 inches high. And I kept mowing around it going, what's going to happen to this thing? Now it's 7 to 8 feet high now. Volunteers. Back around. There's the mulch pile. The tiller I fixed. The 85 with the bad choke. There's my neighbor walking the dogs. I don't think the dogs get very excited when I see him. I don't think she wants that kind of excitement right now, so I'll hide. There are the John Deere, not deers. Lots of birdies. Okay. Oh shit, the dogs, oh, they saw me. The dogs saw me. The doggies. Shit, the dog saw me. I'm busted. Especially when a Labrador sees you. You're busted. There's no way around it. Oh, there he is. Okay. I can sneak to the front door. Can I get past the horse? Who wants a treat? I've got nothing. Okay, here we go. Sneak. 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 Bye-bye. Sneak. I fooled you guys. I fooled the animals. Look at that. Stereo police. Ciao.